Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Study Tech Hub. Are you tired of spending hours staring at a blank slide? Artificial intelligence is changing the game for students. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 AI tools to create stunning professional presentations in just seconds for free. Let's dive in. First up is Gamma AI. This is a literal lifesaver. You just type in your topic, and Gamma generates a full deck with text, images, and a modern layout automatically. It's perfect when you're on a tight deadline. Next, we have Slides Go. If you love Google Slides or PowerPoint but hate the default themes, this is for you. They offer thousands of creative templates specifically designed for students to make your projects visually pop. Now, I will tell how to make presentation on Slides Go. Number 3 is Prezi. If you want to move away from the slide-to-slide feel, Prezi's zooming interface creates a cinematic storytelling experience. It keeps your audience engaged by dynamically navigating through your ideas. Now, I will tell how to make presentation on Prezi. Fourth is WPS Presentation. It's a powerful, cost-free alternative to Microsoft PowerPoint. It's packed with AI features to help you polish your content and design without needing expensive software. Now, I will tell how to make presentation on WPS. And, of course, Canva. It's the ultimate beginner-friendly design tool. With its magic design feature, you can turn a simple prompt into a beautiful presentation with a huge library of assets at your fingertips. Now, I will tell how to make presentation on Canva. Using these tools won't just save you time, it'll help you communicate your ideas more effectively. Maximize your potential and nail your next academic presentation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more study tech tips. See you in the next one.